Hi guys, another really interesting project in our facility. In recent weeks we've done quite a few cars, color change using the color PPF. This car is no different. Customer decided to change from grey to cobalt blue with this amazing deep blue color. The wheels will go from grey to bright white. So yeah, looking forward how this one will come up.
So we start the process by removing the alloy wheels. This is always done by loosening the lug nuts by hand and then removing it with the gun. Obviously care is being taken here to ensure that we're not causing damage to the wheel, caliper or the disc. And yeah, these are just getting removed to go off to one of our wheel partners to be repainted in white. You can now see that we're going through the adjustment process where we're applying colour change film as opposed to our conventional patterns, and we're looking to get coverage slightly more extensively. So we're just going through the patterns that we have, adjusting them accordingly, and as you can see now, cutting them as well. So we just cut the film for the Aston. Obviously, customers gone for Cobalt Blue. What we've done is we've just cut it on the plotter, we've weeded off any excess material, and then we've separated the pieces so everything goes on obviously individually. From here, we'll either roll them up and back roll them onto the car, or we'll use these big transfer walls for the bigger pieces like the quarter panel, and that'll be going straight on the car from there. This is one of the larger panels going on the vehicle, the left quarter panel. And this is one of the more challenging panels as well. You can see that we're just distributing the tension through the wheel arch here. This is obviously a very important area because it is very near to the road. So I want to make sure that it's distributed correctly. Same on the bonnet. Again, wheel arch is a very important area because that's the closest area to the wheel on the road. So we're just getting through the install on the Vantage. We just fitted the bonnet. Obviously we're relatively new to the colour PPF, but we've done lots of testing. And this particular brand we're very impressed with. It looks like paintwork if you stand back. Issues that we've had with this one in terms of challenges, film only comes in 60-inch, and we have a bigger pattern for the bonnet, but obviously that doesn't fit. We can't cut the film on that size. So what we've done is we have done the front section in 60, and then we're going to join in a piece on the back. That's the cleanest install that we can get. As you can see, it will just be here, and that will just seam in. Obviously the pattern that we have otherwise, it would be two separate pieces joined down this wage line. So obviously we want to minimise joins where we can, especially on coloured film. this is now the vinyl, the old vinyl being removed from the diffuser and some of the panels on the back. This is how it was originally. And now we've got one of our trusted partners that we brought in to replace the vinyl with the white vinyl. All finished very precisely in line with the rest of the install. You can see that's exactly aligned with the edge of the bonnet itself. For the front sort of intake section where the front splitter is, you can see that he's also using knifeless tape. So this is a very safe way of installing the vinyl and doesn't involve cutting on the panel at all. And leaves a very crisp cut as well, as you can see. It's been a couple of days, full coverage has been completed now on the Aston Martin. All the blues on, PDCs, everything have been tied in. The white vinyl's also been applied now, and to match it all in, the alloy wheels have just come back from the paint shop. So obviously ceramic coating is quite essential when we're doing white wheels, purely because obviously we're going to get all kinds of contamination, fallout, tar, iron particles, that's all going to affect the colour. So the ceramic coating will make it much easier for the owner to keep them clean. So as well as doing the wheels, you can see Evan is also applying Nasal NL272 to the calipers. This is pretty standard procedure for us when we've got wheels off processing with the vehicle.
This is it, so the car is finished now. It went from grey to blue, so we've done all the detailing, applied the blue paint protection film, the white decals the way the customers wanted. We changed the color of the wheels from grey to white, and obviously finished with all these nice elements of the decals with Aston Martin letters on the spoiler. So what do you think? Color change, vinyl wrap, or repaint the car? Let us know, leave us the comment.